They're not twins, but they're sisters, okay? Hey everybody, it's your girl MB Goldie and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to get fleeky eyebrows for beginners. I'm a beginner, so if I can do it, it's for beginners. Okay, before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Obviously, you're gonna need an eyebrow pencil. So mine is cheap. It was like $1, maybe $2. It's Wet n Wild brand. I don't know if that's a good brand or whatever, but this helps me. So one end of it is a spoolie, which is just a little brush, and the other end is the pencil. This is very helpful for me. I do have regular little like eyebrow pencils, but I feel like these make it more difficult. And you're gonna need a concealer. My concealer is Maybelline Fit Me 25 Medium. And you don't really need makeup brushes, but I do use this. These are cheap, again, maybe like $2. I use this tiny brush and this fat looking, it's broken, I think, but this fat looking thing. So this is what I use for my eyebrows. So first I'm gonna take the cap off of my spoolie end of the pencil and use it to brush my eyebrow hairs in the right direction. Next, when I'm finished doing that, I'm gonna take the cap off of the pencil end and I'm just gonna outline my natural eyebrows so it doesn't look too crazy, but it's gonna get us ready for the fill-in. So now I end up with this weird, thick, boxy looking eyebrow, but you gotta trust the process. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other eyebrow. So now you have not one, but two weird boxy looking eyebrows. But again, you gotta trust the process. So now I'm gonna take my spoolie end again and just brush out the hairs to blend it in with the pencil. So now it's time for concealer. My concealer has a stick in the inside. I'm not gonna use that to put the concealer under my eyebrow. Instead, I'm gonna use a thinner makeup brush and I'm gonna transfer the concealer from the concealer brush to the makeup brush so that I can make a straight line underneath my eyebrow. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the top. I want it to be cleaned up. This is why we use concealer. We want our eyebrows to be sharp and to be clean with no blemishes, no mistakes. And now I'm going to use that fat, weird looking brush that I showed you guys in the beginning. I don't know what it's called and I don't know what it's for because I'm a beginner. But I'm going to use that to blend out the concealer. One thing I do know about makeup, you need to blend until you can't blend no more. Blending is how everything comes together nice and natural. So before I do the other eyebrow, I just want to show you guys the difference of the eyebrow with concealer versus the eyebrow without concealer. The one with concealer just looks a lot cleaner and a lot better. So now I'm going to just repeat the same process with the concealer and blending it out on the other eyebrow. So now I'm going to take my spoolie again. This is a different spoolie, but it really doesn't matter. I just forgot where I put my eyebrow pencil. But I'm going to take the spoolie and brush out my eyebrows. I want everything to look neat and blended together. And this is the final look. As you can see, my eyebrows are finished. They're not too dramatic looking. They're not too, you know, abnormal. They're not twins, but they're sisters, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see you guys in my next video.